Let's start. Let's continue with chapter 19 of English grammar, tenses, and start with past continuous tense. I was learning a poem. मैं एक पोयम सीख रहा था. I was learning a poem. They were eating their food. वह अपना खाना खा रहे थे. They were eating their food. He was not sleeping. वह नहीं सो रहा था. He was not sleeping. We were not sleeping. हम नहीं सो रहे थे. We were not sleeping. Was she singing a song? क्या वह एक गाना गा रही थी? Was she singing a song? Were you working in that factory? क्या तुम उस फैक्ट्री में काम कर रहे थे? Were you working in that factory? The jug was leaking. जग लीक हो रहा था. The jug was leaking. You were not listening to us carefully. तुम हमें ध्यान से नहीं सुन रहे थे. You were not listening to us carefully. Was he wearing a black coat? क्या उसने एक काला कोट पहना हुआ था? Was he wearing a black coat? Mother was cooking food in the kitchen. मदर किचन में खाना बना रही थी. Mother was cooking food in the kitchen. The painter was painting a portrait. पेंटर एक चित्र बना रहा था. The painter was painting a portrait. I wrote a letter. मैंने एक लेटर लिखा. I wrote a letter. I was writing a letter. मैं एक लेटर लिख रहा था. I was writing a letter. Did she not comb her hair? क्या उसने अपने बालों में कंघी नहीं की थी? Did she not comb her hair? Was she not combing her hair? क्या वह अपने बालों में कंघी नहीं कर रही थी? Was she not combing her hair? The boys are not making noise. लड़के शोर नहीं मचा रहे हैं. The boys are not making noise. The boys were not making noise. लड़के शोर नहीं मचा रहे थे. The boys were not making noise. The teacher punished the naughty students. टीचर ने नॉटी स्टूडेंट्स को शरारती बच्चों को शरारती स्टूडेंट्स को सजा दी. The teacher punished the naughty students. The teacher was punishing the naughty students. टीचर शरारती बच्चों को सजा दे रही थी. The teacher was punishing the naughty students. The stars twinkle. तारे टिमटिमाते हैं. The stars twinkle. The stars were twinkling. तारे टिमटिमा रहे थे. The stars were twinkling. I walked to school. मैं पैदल स्कूल गया. I walked to school. I was walking to school. मैं पैदल स्कूल जा रहा था. I was walking to school. सोनाली bought flowers for her mother. सोनाली ने फूल खरीदे अपनी मदर के लिए. सोनाली bought flowers for her mother. सोनाली was buying flowers for her mother. सोनाली अपनी मदर के लिए फूल खरीद रही थी. सोनाली was buying flowers for her mother. मानसी called her father. मानसी ने अपने फादर को बुलाया. मानसी called her father. मानसी was calling her father. मानसी अपने फादर को बुला रही थी. मानसी was calling her father. She was not eating a cheeseburger. वह एक चीज़बर्गर नहीं खा रही थी. She was not eating a cheeseburger. They were not painting pictures. वह पिक्चर्स नहीं बना रहे थे. They were not painting pictures. The teacher was not opening the window. Teacher खिड़की नहीं खोल रही थी. The teacher was not opening the window. Johnny was not riding his bike. Johnny अपनी बाइक नहीं चला रहा था. Johnny was not riding his bike. We were not working on the computer. हम कंप्यूटर पर काम नहीं कर रहे थे. We were not working on the computer. Doris was not watching the news on TV. Doris टीवी पर न्यूज़ नहीं देख रहा था. Doris was not watching the news on TV. I was not practicing the trumpet. मैं ट्रम्पेट का अभ्यास नहीं कर रहा था. I was not practicing the trumpet. My friends were not singing songs. मेरे दोस्त गाना नहीं गा रहे थे. My friends were not singing songs. Sonu was not smoking a cigarette. सोनू एक सिगरेट नहीं पी रहा था. सोनू was not smoking a cigarette. Sam and Ria were not looking at a poster. सैम और रिया एक पोस्टर को नहीं देख रहे थे. एक पोस्टर की ओर नहीं देख रहे थे. Sam and Ria were not looking at a poster.